How's it going, everyone? Who dat 3020 here. Thursday, it's July the 4th today. And I just wanted to do a video. It's been a couple weeks since I've posted anything, so just wanted to give a video on a little project I've been working on and talk about it for a few minutes. Not a lot going on. We've had some storms come through and got a tree down, but I'm gonna put that in another video here in a little while. But I've been working on a project and wound up having to do some repairs. If anyone looked at my video, John Deere 3020 and the little disc, I was using it that day, and little disc is wore slap out, and I've expressed that in the video, and I've also expressed that I want a bigger disc. I'm well aware this disc is a small disc for a big tractor. I'm aware it's 6.5 foot disc, but I have found a few around here. Co-workers got one. Just want too much money for it. I don't have a whole bunch of extra money in the budget to purchase farm equipment. So anyway, I decided that day when I was using this little disc that I was going to put a few dollars in it, but didn't realize the extent of the damage once I got into it. So basically what I did, first of all, I got some weight on the back of it that I was going to weld it today until it started raining. Of course, we can't weld in the rain, so was going to do that. But for now, I have put all new blades in the front of it, 8 new blades in the front. I found these blades at Agri Supply. I was watching a video from a farmer, one of my subscribers. I won't share who he is, but showed him making some purchases from Agri Supply. So I got on their website and they had the disc blades and everything I needed. So I've got 8 new disc blades, and I had to put new spools, a new spool here, new spool here, and I had to put a new bearing spool in this section here in a top bearing hat, they call it. This is a Deaborn disc, and so I had to replace that. This bearing spool here is worn, but I ran out of money. So anyway, replace this stuff here. I'll show the broken pieces. This is the spools that broke. That one's cracked. This is that bearing spool that sits in this hat. Sits in this hat. This is the top part of the hat. Of course, this has been broken. I knew it was broke, but I did not know that this one spool right here was $65. This top hat was $40 without a grease fit. But I can't say much. They had the stuff in stock, which was surprising to me. I wanted to put all new blades on the back of the disc and reblade the whole disc, but that $65 bearing spool was about as much as what 3 blades cost me at Agri Supply. So I was wanting to try it out today too, but we had about almost 3 inches of rain in about 45 minutes, and I'm not going to be breaking any ground anytime soon. So this has been my little project, and I'm looking forward to trying it out. And a little look at my daily driver. But anyway, it's been my little project, and I do want me I want a wheel lift disc so bad, but I just don't have the money for one. So in combination with my 2-row moldboard plow, John Deere plow, and this disc, I can get the job done. The disc it'll work. I'm gonna put new blades in the back of it as soon as build up some more money. But this has been my project. I appreciate, I just want to say thank you to my latest subscribers. Thank you for commenting, sharing, and I hope everyone has a good rest of the 4th. See ya.